In this video we will talk about a local server or web hosting on the internet. There's software called ServerPress that allows you to create a website on your own computer. The benefits are it is free, you don't have to pay any money for it. You can work locally, so even if you're on an airplane, you can work on your website because it's stored on your local computer. That means that nobody else can see your website, so only you can see your website on your computer. And later you can decide to export your complete website to a public WordPress website. The benefits of this are you don't spend any money and you can learn how to work with WordPress, see if you like it or not, and then decide if you want to continue. And then the other one is web hosting on the internet. I use Hostgator. You can also use Bluehost or SiteGround or something else. I like Hostgator. And what are the benefits of Hostgator? Your website is visible in the whole world. You also can get your own email address. And if you get web hosting at a hosting company, you have to pay some money for it. So based on this information, you can decide if you want to start locally on your computer with ServerPress or to get web hosting with Hostgator. You don't have to do both. You can make a choice. In the next video, I will show you how to get ServerPress. In the video after that, I will show you how to get web hosting with Hostgator.